Hello, welcome to 4D Dig. Corrupted SD card can be referred to unable to read the SD card. There are several situations. 1. SD card cannot be used. 2. Error message SD card is not accessible. 3. Error message of card is write protected. 4. SD card keeps asking format. 5. SD card is physically damaged. If your SD card is physically damaged, the only way is take it to the repair store. For other situations, you can stay tuned in this video. This video will introduce 3 methods, excluding the methods which are referred many times like connect to other USB ports or another device. Before start, please give us a thumbs up and you won't miss other videos. Method 1. Use command prompt to fix corrupted SD card. This method can fix the problem by inputting the typical command. First, connect the SD card to PC. Go to Start menu, type CMD or press Win and R key, type CMD. Then command prompt pops out. Type CHKDSK F:/F. The upper letter F refers to any disk you want to repair. The CHKDSK command will scan the corrupted SD card and check the issues. After the scanning, try to connect the card to the device to check the error SD card is corrupted. Method 2. Reinstall the driver. You can reinstall the driver for your card as the following steps. Go to the Device Manager option by right-clicking Start. Double-click FreeDisk Drivers on the list. Right-click your SD card name. Click the Uninstall option and click OK. Restart your computer and reconnect the card again. The PC will detect it. Method 3. Recover by 4D Dig Data Recovery Free. 4D Dig Data Recovery Free is a professional software that can scan your computer and find out any lost data. Moreover, you can get 100 MB free if you share it on social media. Download and install 4D Dig Data Recovery. Launch it, and you will see the home page. Click the share button. You will get 100 MB free to try. Now, select the location and scan it. Select the types you want to scan. 4D Dig starts to scan and find all possible data from the drive. Once you find the file, select it, click Recover, and save it to a different location. Now, your files are back on your computer again. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any questions, you can leave your comments below. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to us. See you guys in the next video.